So the next video was going to be this being wrapped, but I messed it up. So these are being dropped off at a company to be dipped, hydro dipped in a white carbon fibre. So what we're going to do instead is fit this bad boy. It's a ram air upgrade on the OEM pipe, but I'm going to do it with a bit of a twist. So stay tuned, and without further ado, so what we need to do, need to undo that one, and take the pipes off. Okay, pipes off. I need to take the top of the airbox off. I think there's just 3 clips, one there and one there. Don't forget to unplug your mass sensor first. Obviously this is now no good. I'm going to take the metal barb out, stick it in, so obviously I can connect it all back up, put the clips on, see where we go from there. So as you can see, I've got it on. Next job, take the mass sensor off. Now if they're anything like the Focus ST ones, they have to go back on in the roughly the same place at the same angle. Now I remember the Focus ST one was at 2 o'clock. This was pointing straight up, so and what I've done to match the pipe, I've bought a ram air 80mm cone. Now I've gone for the rubber necked one, so it can go over. In theory. So there we have it, already built, ready to go back on the car to make some noises. Okay, let's go and do it. There we go, all done, fastened, really tight. as you can see, I left the bottom of the airbox on connected to the air duct. It gives it a good steady base to sit on. Okay folks, here's all the names so you can see them in it. I'm going to hit the draw button, but I'm going to enable the 3-step randomness so no one thinks I'm cheating. And let's pick a random name. Let's see who won. The winner is Mark Tweedley. So Mark, get in contact with me, drop me an email at fr33jack@sky.com and I'll send you out your gear stick knob. Well done.
Winner.